Hi, I'm James from Housemate Property. Today I'm going to be talking about property inspections. From time to time during the year, if you rent from an agent or from a landlord, you are likely to get an email or a call to suggest that they want to come around and inspect the property. This can spark a little bit of a panic because it feels like someone's coming in to check up on you and how you're living your life. But really, it's that we need to come in and check for any maintenance in the property and make sure that any defects are being dealt with properly. When minor problems are left unchecked over a period of time, they can develop into much larger problems. So making sure that your agent or landlord sees the property regularly means that we're always keeping on top of anything that might arise. When you know that an inspection is due, there are a few things that you can do to make it as easy as possible for the person coming round. The first and most important thing that will really help is to make sure that you have a quick think and list anything that you have noticed around the house or that is causing you a problem at the time that maybe hasn't been reported before that point. The next thing to do would be to respond and let us know whether you'll be at home or not. If you are going to be in, it's always helpful because you can talk us through your list of anything that you might want us to look at. If you're not going to be in, we can either rearrange, or if you're happy for us to go around without you, you can then let us know anything that we do need to look at while we're there. The third thing that really helps when we come around for inspections is to make sure that the place is fairly tidy. We don't need things to be sparkling clean, but it does really help if we can see all areas of the property to make sure we're picking up on any maintenance. If you have any concerns about property inspections, either now or just before they happen, please always get in touch with us because we're more than happy to help. I'm James from Housemate Property. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.